Making a fireplace mantle here. The Toden surface is fire rated. We have a couple firewood stands that we found online. So we're gonna flip this over, we're gonna attach it, we're gonna show you how to do that, and then we're gonna put it right back into place. We're going to show you how to mount a metal frame, or really any frame, to a Toden surface with a couple little tricks. The first one is just a rip of plywood. And we have these pockets here, which are really for our extension sleeves, but we can slide a piece of wood through here and use that as a nailer for our metal frame. Showed you how to attach a frame with some wood strips, but maybe you can't cut anything at your house. You don't have a table saw or you don't have the means, and that's where these little wall anchors are going to come in really handy. We're going to drill a hole just as if we're going into a wall. We're going to push it into the Toden surface, and that's going to allow us to hand tighten a fastener right into it and bind. I don't even need to measure it. I just need to make sure I'm hitting this cavity. So I'm just going to eyeball. Okay, so we drilled our holes. We're just punching in these anchors. Put our fasteners in next. We've got a mantle ready to rock and roll. The wood is stored. We're a heck of a lot farther than we were less than an hour ago. We're ready for fall, but it's 5 o'clock, man. Workday's done.